So, on this one, let's look at number 5 and number 6 together, the creating area and perimeter rectangles. So, when we're talking about a specific area and then trying to draw a rectangle with, a specific perimeter, and then trying to draw a rectangle that has that perimeter, what do we do first to the perimeter? Who can remember? What do we do first to the perimeter? Look at me for a clue if you need a clue. What do we do first to the perimeter? Slice it in half, or chop it in half, or cut it in half. So what is half of 16? What is half of 16, Jacob? 8. So our length and our width, because perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus the width, when we take away that 2, then we are saying our length plus our width equal 8. So what is a possible length and width that I could use on this rectangle? There are about 4 answers. What could I use as a length and width on this rectangle? Aiden?
4 and 2.
Okay, well the length and width have to add up to 8. 4 and 4. Gage? 6 and 2. Chloe, what else could I use? 4 and 4, 6 and 2. What else can I use? My length and width have to add up to 8. What? 6 and 2. Sophie? 7 and 1. Brady? 5 and 3. You pick your favorite one, Jackson, and that's the one we're going to draw.
5 and 3.
5 and 3, he says. So I'm going to go down. Remember, you have to go to 2 dots. That's 1 unit. 2 units, 3 units, and then 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to go down. Then I'm going across. And it's 3 by 5. Now, it's always a good idea to see if we're correct. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 5 more makes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 3 more makes 16. So that's correct. So we're going to use a 3 by 5 rectangle. Now, the ones where we're using area are actually a little easier, because now our length and width have to multiply to equal 48. So what is a basic math fact that equals 48? Could be 1 times 48, but I can't draw that on here. I don't have enough room. What's another math fact that equals 48? It could be 2 times 24, but I don't have room for that. What's a basic math fact you know that equals 48? Kensley? 6 times 8. Okay, so we're going to draw it at 6 by 8 dimensions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's 8 by 6. Okay, so when it's area, you have to multiply to get the correct number for your length and width. And when it's perimeter, you have to chop it in half and then add to get the correct number for your length and width. Okay? All right, I'm going to put you with a partner. You can finish this, and you only have 3 questions left on this. Let's see if we can get those done. We have 7 minutes.